Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to review some design details of Zero.email, which just released its beta version today, and it looks good. And I just want to review some of the design details it shows here, and yeah, let's start. So first, I see they have the sidebar, the main email list, and the probably email preview over here, which looks good. The empty state looks good, but it's a little blurry. I wonder if this is AI generated or like SVG. Oh, it is SVG. Oh yeah, the SVG looks good. It has all these nice details, but as they rendered as the image, it's a little blurry. Yeah, you can probably render the SVG directly. It will be much more sharp. Okay, so that's good. They've sorted it by important. I don't like this sorting at all. I'll probably in my actual Gmail app, I don't use any of these filters. It just shows me all the emails, but it's sorted as important. But much more, there are much more important things like my bus booking, my debit. That's more important to me. So probably if I add that as well, it'll come here. But yeah, they mock some things that is important, which is good. These are important, but not that much. I assume. So the zero dot email is like marketed as like an AI email, and I was searching for like AI features. I'm not sure where it was, and then I found it way over here, toggle AI assistant, and yeah, it can do a lot of things. And yeah, I was just wondering what it can do, and let's see what can you do. Email organization, maintain bulk email. Okay, delete all the emails from Google Alerts. Let's see if this works. Apply bulk to similar email, but I can't. Yeah, sure. Let's all archive all email from Google Alerts. Okay, okay, that's a lot of emails. Is it done? I'm not sure. Probably we'll have some. We need to have some more feedback on Zero's thinking. Done. Okay. Hey, it's gone. That's great. Oh, that's actually good. It'll be great if we can delete it, but this is great. Okay, so that works. We have some prompts here. System prompt. Why do we need system prompt? We believe in open source, so we are open sourcing our AI system prompt, so we will be able to customize. Okay, okay. Yeah, I'm not going to use this, but okay, that's great. And in new email, you can add email subject to CC, BBC. This all works great, and you can probably generate a piece and enter a reception subject. Okay, you can add file. This looks good. I'm not a big fan of this whole model thing. I need to open other emails when I'm working, so I prefer the pop-up box. But yeah, this looks okay. And they have invite a friend which links to this box. Welcome to Zero. It still says welcome to Zero. Probably it would be good if we change that. And the feedback goes to another web page. It will be good if we can open that in the model. And let's go to the settings page. There's some of the animations here are good. So we can probably remove this code thing and just add some space over here, which will look good. And when you click on this plus, it gives an animation, which is great. It'll be great if we have like a original Gmail logo instead of this symbol, just so we have some familiarity. You can change the app thing here, which is great. It's great in dark mode. The gradients in the button looks good. So, and we should probably remove this debug things. I don't even know what enable pre-activity does. So let's go to settings. This is great. Language, this speaks image, custom image, prompt, looks great. Connections, of course, we can add. I'm not a fan of this animation. We can just probably add a full width thing like this and have a add correction button rather than this animation button which is on there. This page doesn't have anything. Sure, create label, it's fine. Shortcuts would be better if you have like a list of shortcuts, so you can just scan it in a line instead of going one by one like this. And layer icon page can, this is fine I guess, but yeah, settings page can be improved. Kind of feels like it's a little rushed without going through the details of it, because font sizes are all different. This font size is different, this font size is different, and this is different to these. And this empty state looks a lot bigger than these things. Let's click on mail, show images. Yeah, the mail looks good, no changes there. The toggle AI assistant can be somewhere else. Yeah, the font weights and the font. So this is solid, this is line, this is like a line with some other thing. Font stroke color, so this is again solid. So stroke colors can be better, I think. Yeah, everything else looks good. So yeah, for a better version, this is great. It'd be great if we add some more things, some more polish, some more design details would be great, because as a design, it's not the level that I expected, but that's okay. This is just beta version, and I'm pretty sure it will improve. Yeah. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next design review.